Proudly presented by Smart Hire.
Vacuum cleaners. Vacuum cleaners for concrete dusts are an important part of grinding. A normal vacuum cleaner will not do the job. It will do the job for a little while, but it'll burn out. The dust coming off of a concrete grinding machine is a very fine dust and will clog up your vacuum cleaner motor. Therefore, we have special vacuum cleaners for concrete dust. One of these is the Blastrac. The Blastrac has got a large chamber, it's got 3 motors and a set of very fine filters in there. When the vacuum cleaner is turned on and it stops sucking, you have to temporarily clean it. You turn the machine off and you shake the dust off the bags underneath and turn the machine back on. Very easy, very effective. The dust will collect in the bottom. It has a little handle down the back and the dust will drop into that, as you can see. Once you've cleaned this dust off, put it back and connect it back up. Easy to work with. Then there is the Pullman. Very similar, except that the dust goes into a plastic bag and is a little bit easier to get rid of, because you just, when the bag gets full, you put a tie on it and you throw it in the rubbish bin. Similar system. In this case, you keep the machine running and you release the pressure. This will bring the dust down into the bottom part. Again, it's a very powerful machine. It's got 2 motors on it. It's got a little holder for your plastic ties. So when your bag is full, all you do is pull it down a little bit. Put one of these around it and you have a new bag. Now let's demonstrate how they work in practice.
To hire this machine and many more, visit the team in store at Smart Hire.